Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel, This has to do with somebody who got accused of indecency at work. Let's see here. At work, there is only one bathroom for both sexes. Two women accused me of indecent sexual contact in the bathroom, huh? Well, off the bat, the accusation would be a violation of Penal Code Section 243.4 here in the state of California. That's a sexual battery that carries up to 3 years state prison for each offense. Now, a sexual battery is touching, private parts, sexual area, breasts, vagina, buttocks. No actual penetration, but that's done without consent or privilege. If somebody were to do that, they're facing up to 3 years state prison plus having to register as a sex offender for life under Penal Code Section 290. And for those of you who don't know what having to register as a sex offender means, basically what it boils down to is every day on your birthday, you have to go to the police station, you have to give your mugshot or take your mugshot, give your prints, and then all of your info shows up on meganslaw.ca.gov, where people will be able to see your name, date of birth, home address, and see what you were convicted of. Now, in this situation, obviously there's not going to be any recordings in the bathroom, because a bathroom is a place where you have an expectation of privacy. There shouldn't be any cameras in there, but maybe there are cameras outside of the bathroom. Because if it's being alleged that you sexually touched two women in the bathroom, well, there should be some cameras there, especially if we're talking about a place where both sexes have access to the same bathroom. There should be cameras at least on the outside to show, the women going in, and did you go in after them, or were you there inside the bathroom already, and did they come in? But if there's nothing in the recordings indicating that you were inside the bathroom at the same time that they were, well, then that would definitely help to exonerate you. The other thing too is we need to discuss consistency of the statements, because let's say there is no recording. Let's say there is no recording, and all you have is a he said, she said type situation. Well, during cross-examination, your attorney would ask the alleged victims detailed questions in different formats to see their responses. And of course, if they're giving inconsistent statements, that is something to give rise to reasonable doubt. And during the cross-examinations in court, obviously you don't want one victim to be physically present in court while the other one is testifying, because you don't want any modifications of stories going on and whatnot. So, of course, you would ask the court during cross-examination or just before cross-examination if the other alleged victim could step out so that she doesn't have an opportunity to modify or change her story in the event that the other alleged victim says something that may be inconsistent with the story that she's going to give. But see, these types of stories, these types of situations, unfortunately, when there is no recording, it's going to be a he said, she said type thing, and at the end of the day, the consistency of the statements is going to be really, really important. Also, very, very important, you should never speak to the police. If you're accused of something like this, don't ever speak to the police, because the evidence is going to be the statements, and you don't want to say anything that could be interpreted as an admission of guilt or something that suggests guilt. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation in court, call us now for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing a case of a crime related to vehicles. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers, criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.